This video covers general usage and navigation in eLC, which is the learning management system at the University of Georgia. To log into eLC, navigate to elc.uga.edu in your browser. Click the link to log in using your UGA MyID. After logging in, you will find yourself on the eLC homepage. Along the top of the window, you will find an eLC logo that, when clicked, will return you to the home screen. Next to this button is a search drop-down menu containing all of your currently enrolled courses. Next, we have a mail icon that will list any messages that have been sent to your eLC email. Please note that your eLC inbox is not the same as your UGA mail inbox. The second icon along the top is your message center. If you have subscribed to any discussion threads in your course discussion boards, any new replies to those threads will be displayed here. Next to the Message Center icon is a button which will display your update alerts. This list is populated by your notification settings, which you should customize so that you can be sure to receive important information from your instructors. Let's set up those notifications now. If you click on your name at the top right of the screen, you will see the user menu. You can access several pieces of information about your eLC account through this menu, but the one we will focus on now is notifications. After clicking the notifications link, you will be able to set up your contact preferences, email or text messaging, choose if you would like an emailed summary of activity at regular intervals, set up instant notifications for your courses, customize the content of your notifications, and exclude any courses you do not want to get notifications for. It's a good idea to subscribe to instant notifications for the things you want to know about in real time. For example, you probably want to be notified when your instructor sends out a new announcement to the class, so you should check the box under your preferred communication method for that information. Read each of these items carefully so that you can be sure to get the notifications you want from your courses. Now let's click on the eLC logo at the top left of the screen to return to the home page. On the right side, you will see an Announcements heading that is populated by updates and information from the university at large. These notices will primarily address topics such as service outages, upgrades, and general eLC news. If you wish, you may click these X buttons to close these news items. If you accidentally dismiss a news item, you can access a full list of prior news posts by clicking Show All News Items. In the upper left, you'll notice there's a Help drop-down. Feel free to explore these topics. To the right of the Help drop-down is a Kaltura drop-down. Kaltura is the university's platform for streaming media. If you are interested in learning more about Kaltura, you can use the Kaltura documentation link to browse helpful resources. Along the left side of the screen, you'll find the courses in which you are currently enrolled. If you are enrolled in fewer than 12 courses, they will all appear in the My Courses area. If you have more than 12 current enrollments, you can use the Course Search tool in the top toolbar to pin courses, which will cause them to remain at the top of the My Courses widget. You can enter a course by clicking on its title or image from the My Courses area. Learning to use eLC is an essential part of staying connected to your courses. Good luck getting started, and go Dogs!